Notice in verse 10 it says, "For as many as are of the works of the law are under the curse." If you try to keep the 10 Commandments, the law, you are cursed. That curse comes because you can't keep the 10 Commandments. Is there anyone who can say they have never told a lie in their whole entire life? If you tell only one lie in your entire life, you have broken the 9th commandment. Remember that James 2 verse 10 says that if you sin in one point of the law, you are guilty of it all. We like to look at things in our own way and forget what God said. We excuse lying as being a little sin and no big deal since everyone does it, from the Prime Minister on down. But when we stand before God, you and I are not going to be doing the judging, nor will it be done according to our standards. God is going to be the judge, and he will judge according to his truth. God's truth says that if you offend in one point of the law, you are guilty of all of it. You are under the curse of condemnation. You are already condemned. You're under God's wrath and ultimately headed to hell. Again, in verse 10, he says, "Cursed is every one that continueth not in all things which are written in the book of the law to do them." If you can't keep all the law perfectly, you're cursed. On the authority of God's word, I can plainly say that we are all cursed. We all are under condemnation and without hope if we try to get to heaven by keeping the law. If you're trying to get to heaven by being a good person and hoping your good works outweigh your bad works, God says you will never make it. You are cursed. You are without hope. So what are we going to do? What is the answer?